Hello kids, welcome back. So, yesterday we have started a new chapter, that is subtraction, and there we have learned about subtraction without borrowing. Today we will revise subtraction without borrowing, and then we will move toward subtraction with borrowing or regrouping. Okay, so let us start. Suppose I have to subtract two numbers, that is 423 and 122. So what I will do first? Yes, I will write the greater number first. So 423. Then we have to write smaller number below it. That means 122. And then what we have to do? We have to subtract. We will start subtracting from ones place. So, what we are having at ones place? We are having 3. So, 3 minus 2 will give us 3 minus 2 will give us 1. Now we are having at tens 2 minus 2. So, what we will get when we subtract 2 from 2? 2 and we have to subtract 2 from 2. So, what we will get? 0. Now we are having 4. And what we have to subtract from 4? 1. So, subtracting 1 we will get 3. So, our answer will be 301. So, this is subtraction without regrouping or without borrowing. Now we will do subtraction with regrouping. I will explain it to you with the help of few examples. Then we will do a worksheet and then we will move toward your book exercise. Okay, let us start. Suppose I have to subtract 42 minus 15. Now, what we have to do first? First of all, we have to write the greater number above. So, write 42. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract 15 from 42. Now, what we will get? So, we will start it from ones place. Okay? Now kids, as you can see, we are having 2 at the ones place. We are having 2 at the ones place. So, tell me, can we subtract 5 from 2? Okay, tell me, you are having 2 toffees. You are having only 2 toffees. So, can you give me 5? You are only having 2 toffee. So, can you share 5 toffees with me or can you give me 5 toffees? No. So, 2 is a smaller number. 2 is smaller than 5. Now, what we will do? Tell me what we will do? Yes. So, tell me, you are having 2 toffees, but you have to give me 5. How you will give me? You will borrow some toffees from your friend. you will borrow some toffees from your friend and you will say him ki please give me some toffee, I have to share it with ma'am. Okay, so what you will do, you will borrow some toffee. So here our poor 2 will also borrow some numbers from number given at tens place. So which number we are having at tens place? We are having 4 at tens place. Okay, so we are having 4 at tens place. Now 2 will say 4 bhaiya, please give me some number. So how much 4 will give? 4 will give him 1/10. 4 will give it 1/10. So when 4 will give 1, so how much it became? It will become 3. And this number 2 will become, how much it will become? 12. Now you all must have been thinking how it became 12. Because 4 has given 1/10 and we know that 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. Okay, so it has given 1/10 and 1/10 equal to 12 ones. 10 ones. So 10 and plus this 2, 12. So our poor 2 is now 12. Now can we minus 5 from 12? Which number is greater? 12 is greater or 5 is greater? 12 is greater, so we can easily minus. Count after 5 to get 12. Count after 5 to get 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How much we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have got 7. Now this 4 is now a 3. So 3 minus 1 we will get. Minus 1 from 3. What we will get? 3 minus 1 we will get 2. Okay? Great. Let us take one more example. Suppose I have to subtract 18 from 34. Now what we will do? We will start from ones place. We will start from ones place. So which number we are having at ones? We are having 4 at ones place. So now, so can you subtract 8 from 4? Which number is greater? 4 is greater or 8 is greater? 8 is greater. So we cannot subtract 8 from 4. Now what we will do? We will take borrow. This 4 will take borrow from number given at 10th place. Which number is there at 10th place? 3 is there at 10th place. Now, so our 4 will take a borrow. 3 will give, how much 3 will give? 1/10. So this 4 will become 14. And this 3 will become 2. Now let us subtract. Now 14 is greater than 8. So we can easily subtract. Count after 8 so that we can get 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we have got? 6. And this here at tens place what we are having? We are having 2. So 2 minus 1 we will get 1. So our answer will be 16. Okay. So here we have revised question of 2 digit. Now let us move toward 3 digit. Okay. Now suppose I take a number 9, 8, 4 minus 2, 3, 7. Okay, let us solve it. Again, we will start from ones place. So which number we are having at ones place? We are having 4. 4 is smaller than 7. Now what we will do? Now this 4 will take a borrow. 4 will take a borrow. So number at tens, 8 will give 1 tens to 4. So this 4 will become 14. And this 8 will become 7. Why it became 7? Because it has given 1 tens to ones place. And 9 will remain as it is because it hasn't given anything to anyone. So now let us subtract. Here we have to count after 7 to reach 14. Let us count. Count after 7 to get 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now at tens place, which number we are having? At tens place, we are having 7. So 7 minus 3 we will get? 7 minus 3 we will get 4. Now, which number we are having at hundredth place? 9. So 9 minus 2 we will get 7. Okay? Cool. Okay, let us take one more example. Here we have to subtract 161 from 423. Here we have to subtract 161 from 423. Now what we will do? We will start from ones place. So which number we are having at ones place? We are having 3. So 3 minus 1 what we will get? We will get 3 minus 1 we will get 2. Okay now. Now moving toward tens place. So which number we are having at tens place? We are having 2 and 6. So can we subtract 6 from 2? No. We can't do this. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 6. So what we will do? We will take borrow. So 2 will take borrow from 100th place, that is from 4. So 4 will give, this 100th place 4 will give 100 to 10th place. Now this 12, this 2 will become 12 and this 4 will become 3. Why this 2 will become 12? Because 4 has given it 100 and we know that 100 equal to 10 tens. Okay, now let us subtract. Now we have to count after 6 to get 12. Count after 6 to get 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much we have got? We have got 6. And now which number we are having at 100? Which number we are having at 100th place? We are having 3 at 100th place. So 3 minus 1 we will get 2. So here we have got 262. Okay, great. Now let us move toward our worksheet. Okay, here I am having an example for you. So here 654 minus 368. So let us, I am going to read the instruction for you. Subtract the right hand column of the digit. So we will start from right hand column. If the top digit is smaller than the digit you are subtracting, you will have to borrow 10 from the digit to the left. This we have already done. Okay. So now let us solve this question. 654 minus 368. 654 minus 368. 654 minus 368. Let us solve it. Okay. So here we will start from ones place. So as we can see, what we are having at ones place? We are having 4 there. So can we subtract 8 from 4? No. We will take a borrow from 5. So 4 will become 14. And 5 will become 4. So count after 8 to get 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we have got? 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we have got? 6. Now we are having 4 at 10th place. So, and we are having 6 down. So, can we subtract 6 from 4? No, we can't do that. Again, this 4 will take borrow from 100th place. So, this 100th place will get decreased by 1 because it will give 1 to number at 10th place. So, number at 10th place will become 14 and this number will become 5. Now, count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we have got? 8. And here 5 minus 3 we will get 2. 286. Okay. So here is a worksheet. Now we will solve a worksheet. Some question will be done by me and some question you guys will solve. Okay. So let us start. Starting from very first question. So here we are having 926 minus 658. So we will start from ones place. At ones place we are having 6. So can we subtract 8 from 6? No, we can't do that. So this 6 will take borrow from 2. This 2 will become 1 and this 6 will become how much? 16. Now count after 8 to get 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 8. Now count after. Okay, so we have got 8 at 1's place. Now at 10's place. We are having 1 at 10th place and we have to subtract 5 from 1. So can we do that? No, we cannot subtract 5 from 1. What we will do? This 1 will take a borrow from 9 and this 1 will become 11 and this 9 will become 8. Now count after 5 to get 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 6. And we are having at 100th place, which number we are having at 100th place? We are having 8 there. So 8 minus 6 we will get 8 minus 6 we will get, yes, we will get 2. Okay, now kids, I have explained you enough example. Now some of the question will be solved by you. So solve this question, then I will solve it and then we will check our answer. 835 minus 368. Now this question you have to do. Solve it. Start from the right position. Compare the number. Yes, do it. Completed. Okay. So we will start from 1's place. Which number we are having at 1's place? We are having 5 there. So we cannot subtract 8 from 5. What we will do? We will take a borrow. So this 5 will become 15 and this 3 will become 2. So count after 8 to get 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have got 7. Now at 10th place we are having 2 and we have to subtract 6 from it. So we cannot do that. We cannot subtract 6 from 2. So this 2 will take a borrow from 8 and 8 will become 7 and this 6 and this 2 will become 12. Now count after 6 to get a 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much we have got? 6 here. Now which number we are having at 10th 100th place? We are having a 7 there. So 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 3. How much we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 467. This is the right answer. Okay. Now kids, solve this question. Do it yourself. Complete. Okay, let us do it. Here we will start from ones place. We are having 3 at ones place. So this 3 will take a borrow from 2. It will become 13 and this 2 will become 1. Count after 6 to get 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much we have got? 7. Now 8 and we are having 1, so we cannot subtract 8 from 1. What we will do? We will take a borrow. So this 1 will become 11 and 8 will become 7. Now count after 8 to get 11. 9, 10, 11. How much? 3. Now we are having 7 at 100 place. So subtracting 3 from 7 we will get 4. 437. 437 is the right answer. Okay. Now get solve one more question. Do it. Okay, let us do. So here in this question also, we will start from ones place. We are having 3 here and we have to subtract 8 from there. So which is not possible. So this 3 will take a borrowing from 5. This 3 will become 13 and this 5 will become 4. So now count after 13. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We get 5 here. Now at 10th place we have to subtract 6 from 4, which is not possible. Again, so this 4 will take a borrowing and this will become 14 and our 9 will become 8. So count after 6 to get 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have got 8 at our 100th place. Now we are having 8 at our 100th place. So subtracting 3 from that we will get 5. Subtracting 3 from that we will get 5. Okay? Yeah. Okay kids. So let us do a quick revision. So we have understand that 1/10 is equal to 10 ones and 100 is equal to 10 tenths. Okay? Great. Now let us move towards some of your book questions. So here some of the questions are given or of regrouping. Let us do it. Try to understand this. 200, 5 tens and 8 ones is equal to, look here, 200, 5 tens and 8 ones is equal to 100. So what they have done? They have decomposed 100 at 1. That means 100 has given carry, 100 has given 1 borrow to tens place. How much it will give? 100 equal to 10 tens. 100 equal to 10 tens. Okay. So, and here already 5 tens are there at 100 place. So 100, 15 tens and 8 ones. 100, 15 tens and 8 ones. Now, question number 3. 100, 3 tens, 2 ones. So here again we are having only 1 at 100 and this 100 has given 2 tens. So here we are having 13 tens and 2 ones. 13 tens and 2 ones. Okay. So kids, today we have understood the subtraction with regrouping. Tomorrow we will do some more question based on this and we will revise your book exercise.